Have you been dealing with low back pain and you've been told that you always have to stay in neutral spine? Well, thankfully, a lot of evidence now is showing that we can actually handle quite a lot of load in flexion, so in bending the spine forward. Plus, most of the things that we do in everyday life, we're not staying in neutral spine all the time, every time you want to do something. Highly unnatural. So what's important is actually just building up movement and robustness and resilience around the spine through proper training and understanding what's really happening with your pain in the first place. When we look at low back pain, it can be really complicated, and there's a lot of other factors, things like psychosocial factors, lack of sleep, stress, and other things that play a role in back pain. So it's not only just about maintaining neutral spine, although that does play a role sometimes, like if we're doing heavy load, but obviously we need to train you to be able to move your spine and be in different positions at different times. So if you've been dealing with low back pain or just general back pain overall, then we're going to be doing a workshop here at Fit 360 on Wednesday the 16th at 6 p.m. So you can come in, learn a little bit more about back pain, and we'll give you some tips and tricks to help you optimize it and build a strong and robust spine.